Mary Kay Clinical Solutions has introduced a new level of dermocosmetic performance that can help you supplement your nighttime skincare routine. It's powered by pure, high-concentration retinol, which is the gold standard ingredient dermatologists recommend to help prevent signs of visible aging that you can't see yet and reverse advanced visible signs of aging. Follow along as I show you my nighttime skincare routine for healthy, younger-looking skin. First, I'm going to cleanse my skin. This Time-Wise Repair Volume Foaming Cleanser is designed to help skin maintain its natural moisture and balance without feeling dry or stripped. It's super soft and creamy. The foam feels really nice and hydrating. The entire Time-Wise Repair line is formulated with the patented Volume complex, which is powered by peptides and plant stem cells that are vital to skin renewal and help fight advanced signs of aging. Now, normally my eye cream would be the last step in my nighttime routine, but since I'm using retinol this evening, I'm going to apply it first. I don't want to have any residual retinol on my fingers when I apply my eye cream. So just to be careful, I'll let this eye cream absorb first. Now it's time for the main event. Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 set. Depending on where you are in your retinization process, you may want to apply this product a bit differently. I've already fully completed the 8-week retinization process as instructed by my Mary Kay independent beauty consultant. First, I start with a pea-sized amount of the Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 and apply that to my forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, smoothing it on in an upward and outward motion. I've waited a few minutes after cleansing to ensure that my skin is fully dry, which can help avoid potential irritation. And you'll notice I'm avoiding the eye area and my neck and décolletage. You can apply retinol 0.5 to the neck and décolletage, but you'll want to test it on a small area first and complete the full 8-week retinization process. Then I'm following with a few pumps of the Clinical Solutions Calm and Restore Facial Milk. Once the retinization process is complete, you can use this just as needed, but I really like how my skin feels after using it. At this point, you can also apply any other serums that you may normally use. I'm going to keep it simple and skip ahead to my Time-Wise Repair Volume Night Treatment with Retinol. Everyone's skin is different. Some can comfortably use both the Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 and the Volume Night Treatment at the same time. Others may not like the combination. I just tested on a small area when first using Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 and was perfectly comfortable. But you should test a small patch too before applying to the full face. Retinol is such an incredible ingredient that helps support natural collagen and elastin and stimulates surface skin cell renewal for younger looking skin. In an 8-week independent clinical study, 100% of women experienced improvement in skin smoothness and skin radiance while using Mary Kay Clinical Solutions. I hope this has helped take the guesswork out of using retinol and proven just how simple it is to incorporate into your routine. I can't wait to see your results, so be sure to use #MK Clinical Solutions on social media to share your before and after photos. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one every week. Bye.